Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cornbread casserole with Jiffy. This comforting dish is incredibly simple to prepare and perfect for any meal. We will start by gathering our essential ingredients, including 1 box of Jiffy corn muffin mix, 1 egg, and 1/3 cup of milk. You will also need 1 pound of ground meat, 1 can of creamed corn, and 1 cup of shredded cheese. Now, let us prepare our delicious cornbread batter. First, brown 1 pound of ground meat in a skillet, then drain any excess fat. In a separate large bowl, combine the Jiffy corn muffin mix with 1 egg and 1/3 cup of milk. Stir these ingredients gently until they are just moistened. Remember, a slightly lumpy batter is perfectly fine. Overmixing can result in a less tender cornbread. With our components ready, it is time to assemble this delightful casserole. Begin by spreading the cooked ground meat evenly across the bottom of your lightly greased 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Next, pour 1 can of creamed corn directly over the meat layer. Then, carefully spread the prepared cornbread batter over the creamed corn. Finally, sprinkle 1 cup of shredded cheese evenly over the top. Your cornbread casserole is almost ready to enjoy. Place the dish in your preheated 375-degree Fahrenheit oven and bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. You will know it is perfectly done when the top is a beautiful golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow it to cool for 5 to 10 minutes before slicing and serving warm.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.